price on the fly in FrameReady. In the work order, there are a number of different ways that you can change the retail price. Click on the underlined word Frame 1, and you can use the Code Price field to select an arbitrary number to change the retail price. Simply enter the number in. If you are a Canadian client, you will notice that you may have a code in there already, and you can override that number. This will not override the original record in the price codes file. This is a one-time entry for this work order only. If you have something entered into the ship code, the two numbers will be combined to create the total for the retail price. You can also change the required footage. If you increase, it will change the retail price at the top of the screen. However, it will not change it if you have something in the code field. The code field takes precedence. So remove the amount in the code field, and now you have the new retail price at the top of the screen. This is also available on the stacked frame view. If you click View All, you can enter in the code price in this location, and you can also change the minimum footage down at the bottom of the screen for any of the frames in the stacked frames. This is the detailed screen on FrameReady, which allows you to go to other layouts as well, where you can change the pricing. But let's go back to the work order screen. There are also blue override buttons in the center of the screen. If you click on the override button, it allows you to type in either a map board number or some information that you want, and then you enter in the retail price total for this item. It will show up on the record. If you are using the blue override box for molding, remember to enter in the molding width, as you will need this to calculate out the footage, or if you're stacking frames. Moving down to the left-hand side of the screen, if you have selected an item and want to change the retail price, click on the underlined word, and we're back onto the detailed screen. Select the code price and use the XY to enter in the retail amount that you want to override. Once you exit out of the field by clicking somewhere else on the screen, the price will take effect. If you do not want to use that price after all and want to revert back to the original price, simply reselect the item from the drop-down list. Another option you can use is the other box down at the bottom of the screen. If you type in any dollar value, that will be added to the total in the top right-hand corner. You can also lock the price by clicking on the lock button, typing in the arbitrary amount that you wish to charge, and then select New. If you no longer wish to use the locked price, simply click on the lock and it will revert back to the original amount. And that is how you can price on the fly in FrameReady.